In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on Safe Search on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and hit Screen Time. Now there hit on Content and Privacy Restriction and first enable that option called Content and Privacy Restriction. Just toggle it on and after that hit on Content Restrictions right there and next hit on Web Content. Now there you got three options to select. First is unrestricted, so you can visit any site that you want. The second option is limit adult website. It basically limits all adult websites, and also there you can add some website that you want to always allow or to never allow. And the third option is allowed website. It's just the list of websites that are allowed to visit and no one website wouldn't open while this option is active. And here also you can add your own website. You can write there a title and there paste a URL of that site. And that's how it works, guys. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.